문장만 기억하면 1년 뒤에는 1825문장을 알게 돼요. 일단 함께 해봐요.
1. On a whim.
기분 내키는 대로 충동적으로 갑자기.
I don't do anything on a whim.
I buy you flowers on a whim.
You don't marry anyone on a whim.
2. What's eating you?
무슨 고민 있니? 무슨 안 좋은 일 있어?
What's eating you?
What's eating you?
What's eating you?
3. Winding down.
쉬다, 긴장을 풀다, 끝나가다, 시간이 다 되어가다.
Let's wind it down. It's wind down time. Okay.
Time is winding down.
Clock's winding down. Ball's in your hand.
4. Die down.
잠잠해지다, 희미해지다.
It'll die down.
The gossip died down.
Turbulence is dying down.
5. Have a memory like an elephant.
기억력이 좋다.
You've got a memory like an elephant.
I have the memory of an elephant. I have the memory of an elephant.
오늘도 수고하셨어요. 행복한 하루 되세요.
Well done. Keep it up.